Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in this Audi A3, and this Audi A3 has got soot all over the top of his engine and it's running slightly rough. So I'm going to go through a process today to show you exactly how you can find out if it has any air leaks or anything like that, which may help in diagnosing your fault. So let's get into it and I'll show you this new bit of kit that we got. It's brilliant. So here we have a Audi A3, and on the top of the engine here, you can see it's all covered in soot, all around here, and it's really blowing by. It runs really rough, but we have this bit of kit in today, which is a smoke machine. This one here has its own air compressor pump inside. It's a really good bit of kit, and you can find these on Amazon. Check the link down in the description, go through that and you'll get a really good deal. But way this works, we connect it up to power, and then what we can do is once you've turned it on, this will now put smoke down this pipe all the way into here. You can see we've already set it up. It comes with a nice balloon, so you just take the air intake off, pump it up, and once that's pumped up, the air or the smoke will go into the system and it will start to come out if there's any leaks. So what we're going to do now, oh, there we go, look, we can already see it. So smoke is already coming out down here. If we blow it away and look down there, so this little bit here is where the swell flaps connect inside the inlet manifold. And that is where the majority of the blow-by is coming from. So this vehicle is going to need the intake manifold removed and the swell flaps looking at inside to check, make sure the gaskets are okay, and then hopefully we can do that. But just to showcase, this equipment is absolutely brilliant for finding leaks on your car, not just there, but obviously if you've got a turbo leak or a boost pipe split and you can't see inside these engine bays, because a lot of them are just like spaghetti junction now. I mean, look down there, where's the turbo pipe? You can't see it, I can't see it. But if the smoke was coming out of there, and it is obviously Diddy oil, so it smells fresh, so you could even smell it before you see it. But that is a great little bit of kit, so go and get yourself one off Amazon, link down in the description. So that's just a quick video on this new smoke machine, great bit of kit. If you want one, link in the description, go and get yourself one. Must have for 2025 in the automotive industry. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.